better revise. I better revise algebra so that when you go back to school, a lot of stuff is based on algebra. Okay, so we're going to revise. Hopefully, we can do it in one lesson. Okay, but algebra is always going to recur. It's going to keep returning back. So you need to be master at this. My mistake last time was thinking that students will not forget, but students will forget. Okay, so let's start. This is actually from the express book, but again, if you can do the express book, that means normal academic is not a problem. Okay, so yeah, some of you are already doing express book, so here we go. Okay, can we do question A and B? A and B. Okay, if we can move on to even C and D also lah. But we try A and B first. Once you are ready, you send me answers, please. Where's the rest? The rest. Come, Shafiqah, come. Ian, you okay, Ian? Ilhan, all right, Ilhan? Ilhan got wrong day, eh? Sophia, you know how to do, Sophia? Is it easy, Sophia? Rahana's coming in. Yeah, these are basic stuff, okay? So you must be able to get it for A and B basic. Ilhan, got to check, Ilhan, you have forgotten to change the sign when you bring over the 12. Plus 12, when you bring over, become minus 12, remember? Shafiqah, you look a bit confused. Shafiqah, you okay? Yeah lah, okay lah. I just don't get much shake lah. Okay, Ilhan, well done. Shafiqah, well done. Okay, move on to B, please. Sophia, what about you, Sophia? You're not sure how to do it? Not sure. Okay, all right, well done. Hain, what about you, Hain? I'm giving everything one shot. Okay, all right. You can give her one shot, no problem. No problem. Okay, you try A, B, C, D. This got to be basic. All right, Hannah? Okay, A, B, C, D. Hannah, try your best, okay? Remember, you're faster than everyone else. Come, turn on the video. The next one is, okay, the next one is no longer that way. You cannot plus or minus because x is 3 times x. You want to get rid of 3, like 3 bananas cost $27. How much is 1 banana? Three bananas cost 27. So what is for here? And straight away send by WhatsApp. Let's see whether it's correct now. Hold on, Okay, I see now here. Question A, correct. Question B, you must find what is x, Ian. You cannot tell me 3x equals to whatever. You must tell me what is x. You must find out. Same thing. You cannot say 9. You got to find what x. When they say solve here means they want you to find one value. Is it C? Is it D? Is one of them. Okay, let's see whether Ian is on the track. Here, B correct. Let us see now. Ilhan, don't forget, there's a minus sign, no, Ilhan. There's a minus sign. Sophia, B is not correct. Okay, so Sophia, you that means I'm so happy we revised this. Okay, I'm going to show you B, all right? I'm going to show you B. Heian, let me see C, just a moment. C is P, right? C is P. C, your D is correct. Your C, I do not know where your C is. Okay, so now all the rest were not sure. Okay, Ilhan, Ilhan, your answer is correct now. Ilhan, move to. So now down here, this means what, Miss Sophia? This means minus 3 times x, This is equals to 27. It's like three tubs of ice cream cost $27. They ask you for one tub. Now, down, you want to get rid of you want to find out what's x, you got to divide 27 by -3. Divide by -3. Now, remember, positive divided by negative will give you -9 over here. This is not like plus. No, plus you bring over becomes minus. This one now is like 3 rings. Diamond ring costs 27 million. How much is one diamond ring? Okay, so if we try that, let us see now. Okay, Irhan, C is correct, D is correct. D is not correct. Your sign is wrong. Your sign is wrong. Do you realize that your sign? Can you see your sign? Right, your sign is wrong, right? If you bring the 9 over to the other side, so you need to put a negative number there. Okay, so let us see what about the rest. Me, Ilhan, well done. Your B is correct. Hayan, sorry, I call Hayan. Sorry, okay. Hayan, your D is wrong. I called the wrong name. Sorry, Ilhan. Hayan, yeah, your D is not correct. Miss Sophia, well done for C. What about Shafika? Rayana, I don't even hear from you. I don't even see anything. Rayana. Oh, sorry, Rayana.
Sorry.
I didn't know you sent me a message. Sorry. Okay, Rayana, here we go. A is correct. B is not correct. C, not sure. D is correct. So, Rayana there, B, I show you how to do. Remember, it's like 3 bananas cost 27 cents. How much is one banana? You must divide by 3. Notice it's being times. 3x means 3 times x. You want to bring the 3 over, you got to become divide. Opposite of times is divide. Down here, you have plus. You bring over, it becomes minus. Remember that, okay? Remember, if it's together, it means it's being multiplied. You want to cause them to divorce, you got to be a divide sign. Okay, so let us see now. Rahana can do, okay. Those of you who do not know how to do C, I will show you how to do C. Yeah, that's why it's very important for me to revise algebra, because I know students right until secondary 5 or sec 4, they are still not sure how to do this. Okay, can you please look at this? Those of you, please. Now, you want to get rid of the 5. Very simple way, watch. 1 over 5. I times by the opposite number. What's the opposite number? 5 over 1. Okay, don't worry about the minus sign yet. I know there's a minus down here. Okay, I can put a -1 here. Never mind. So you can see I times by the opposite of 1, 5. 1 over 5, opposite is 5 over 1. When I do this, I cancel a 5. I cancel a 5. The 5 disappear. But if you times the left side by 5, you must also times the right side by 5. 5 over 1 is 5, right? So I times the left side by 5 to get rid of 1/5. I must times the right side. So what do I get? I get minus P is equals to 45. But this is not the end of the story, okay? You must find out what P is. Okay, this is like -1 lah. -1, so you divide by -1 lah. You divide by -1. You get -45. Okay, I hope you're okay with this. Please try to concentrate, okay, because this is, let me see. Husna Shafia, you know your mistake in the negative, because there's a negative sign down here, Husna Shafia. Notice, so you can actually, one shortcut is to time by -5, you times minus becomes plus. Then you got a times -5 here, you get a faster thing. Husna Shafia, your answer for C is not correct. Let us see now, who else? Yeah. Yeah? It's people in the background. Okay. What is it? The people in the background one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. D is correct. Hen, you can move to E and F, Hen. The rest. Okay. All right, let us see. Now, C, quite a number says 11. One person says 11. Come on, we're going to do C. C, I already show you, right? It's -45. D, what about D? What about D? Okay, maybe you all are not sure. I'm going to clear the screen. I clear the screen first. We're going to go through D shortly. All right. Rahana, you can do E and F if you have done. Your D is correct. Now the clue now down here is to bring numbers to one side, letters to another side. So what will I do, Shafika and Sophia? What will I do? I will take this one, I bring over there lah. When I bring over there, I get 3C here. Minus 9 becomes plus 9. So how? So find out lah. How? You see, I don't know how to do this one. Take 24 minus 9, what do you get? 24 minus 9 is 15. Let the sign follow the bigger number, which is 24. So 3C equals to negative 15. So now I can write 3C over here lah. Then solve lah. C equals to 15 minus 15 divided by 3. You get 5. That's it. Okay, everyone move to E and F, okay? If you are confused, please send me a message. Which questions you are confused, please send me a message, because you need to master this before Sec 2. In Sec 1, you gotta make sure that you master this one, please. Okay? Now we have gone through quite fast previously. Okay, but that's now we are finding out whether you have problems or not. Okay, anyone? Let us see. If you're confused how to do this, remember I showed you how to get rid of 1 over 5. You take the number 2 over 7, you overturn it. Why does minus 9 change to plus 9 in D? Well, let us see now down here, Miss Sophia. Okay, this is question D. Sophia is asking, why minus 9 change to plus 9? First of all, I do not want the minus 9 to be here. I want to bring it over there. How can I get rid of it? I can get rid of it by plus 9. See, 9 minus 9 is 0. See? If I plus 9 on the right side, I must also plus 9 on the left side. Can you see? Shortcut, your teacher will teach you, minus, you bring over, become plus. That's what your teacher will say. But actually what we are doing is, we are adding the 9 here to get rid of 9 so that you only have 3C over here. And so when you plus 9, minus 9 disappears. Because minus 9 plus 9 is 0. So, but if you plus on the right side, you must plus on the left side. Are we okay, Sophia? Okay. Different from, yeah, okay. Never mind. We carry on. Let us see now. Who? Okay, let us check. I'm got to look at your answers. Hold on. Okay, let us see now. Question D. D, some of you say C is 11. C is not 11. I just show you. C is 5. C is negative 5. Negative 5, right? Sorry, negative 5. Negative 5. Hey, I made the same mistake you made here. I myself corrected you. I forgot to put on negative here. Okay. See down here, Shafika, you know what to do, Shafika? You understand, Shafika? Yes, Now we're going to move on to this, but just let me check now. For E, who is this? Shafika, you got E correct. Congratulations. Shafika for R. Congratulations, Shafika. Wow, terror, Only Shafika is giving me the answer and Heian. Let's see what the Heian said. Heian, your X you don't have, but for your R, you miss out another sign. You miss out the sign. Okay, so we are gonna, I want you all to have a look at this, okay? Those of you who are confused, try your best to focus, okay? You are already adults already, In the olden days, you know that you all can get married. In fact, you might be married off already, Don't stop talking about marriage. Okay, sorry. Here we go. Now look at this. Raihana. You're confused by this, right? 27. How to get rid of 27? Very simple. You times by, Ilhan, you times by 7 over 2. You see, I times by the opposite. 2 over 7, I times 7, 2. Why I do that? You see, I can cancel the 7. I get 1. I can cancel the 2. I get 1. Can you see that the 2 over 7 disappear? But if I times 7 or 2 on the left, I must also times 7 over 2 over the right. Imagine now your dad buys a watch for your sibling. You also want a watch. So you got to be fair. You times the left, you must also times the right. Can you see not? 2 over 7 now disappears, only left with x. And then how? And then you just times the right side now. Okay, you can reduce 4 and 2, right? You divide by 2, you get negative 2. Divide by 2, no more. 2 times 7, 14. Minus times plus, minus. Minus 14 is the answer. Are we okay now? Sophia, you know what it is, Sophia? Don't understand. Okay, then we have to try this question, okay? All right, don't understand. I want you to try this question, all right? Okay, we are going to go to the whiteboard. Okay, the whiteboard is here lah, because my whiteboard, we are bongkar the whole room lah. So, okay, now let's say I put 3 over 5 y. First of all, remember the y is on top, equals to 9. And I want you to find the answer. How to find the answer? Guys and girls, please observe what I do, okay? What I do now, how I want to get rid of 3 over 5. So far, you times by opposite. What's opposite of 3 over 5? 5 over 3 lah. You see, 5 over 3 I can cancel. I get 1 here, right? Divide by 3, divide by 3. I can divide by 5, I get 1. Divide by 5, I get 1. You see, it disappears. If I times 5 over 3 on the left side, I must also times on the right side. You see? So divide by 3, I get 1. Divide by 3, I get 3. 3 times 5, 15. Sophia, okay, Sophia? Sophia, okay? Raihana, okay? Raihana, okay? Zahira, okay, Zahira? You also what I did now? Okay, I cannot force you to see what I do, but again, I'm going to give you another question. I'm going to give you another question. Okay, here we go. Okay. 2 over 13x. Ilhan, try this also, Ilhan, is equals to 4. What is x? You try to find out. Come on, you try to find out. Come on, guys. You try to find out. All right. Congratulations, Mr. Heiyan. Well done. Okay, well done. Okay, it's easy lah. He didn't say easy lah. It's easy. What about the rest? He didn't say, give me something challenging lah. Oh, Shafiqah already sent. Sophia, well done. Ilhan, you must times by the opposite. Times by the opposite. What is the opposite? Opposite number. Okay, what is it? I'll show you one more time. I will do until everyone get it. Raihana, I've not gotten yours. Opposite of 2 over 13 is 13 over 2. You see, I times this by the left, I must also times this by the right. But why do I times this on the left? Look, when I times, well done, Raihana, I get divide by 13, I get 1. I divide by 13, I get 1. I divide by, I divide by 2, I get 1. I divide by 2. Can you see the number disappear, lah, Ilhan? Disappear. So now you just do this, 4 times 4 and 2, you also can reduce what? 1, 2, 2 times 13, 26. Okay, we try one more time. One more time. You got to be able to get this, okay? Now, sorry, and go. Well done, Ilhan. Congratulations. Not very fast. You're the fastest that came in. Heian, something is wrong somewhere here. I change the question. Please take note. Heian, you know I change the question right here. Please take note. Ilhan, well done. Okay. Ilhan, if you're this fast, can you imagine how you be in basketball? Sophia also made same mistake, I think. Am I right or you're right? Sophia and Heian got the same answer. Maybe, okay, we're going to check lah. We're going to check. Here, Ilhan, we check. Okay, maybe I might be wrong. Let's see. What about Rayana? What about Shafiqah? I don't want to play anymore now. Okay, Zahira, what about you? I also don't want to play. Zahira, come on, this is not a game to play lah, Zahira. 7 over 3 times 7 over 3. Why? Opposite of 3 over 7. So do the same thing as 7 over 3. Oh, yes, you're right. Sorry, Heian. Sorry, Ilhan. Your answer is not correct. Sorry, yeah. I did a mental calculation is wrong. So Heian and 14 times 7, then divide by 3, yeah. Okay, I think your answer is correct lah. 32 and 2/3. So sorry, I gave the wrong question actually. I did my mental calculation. Husna Shafia, I also did the wrong thing, Husna Shafia. Okay, my mistake. But this is the way you did. 7/3 is opposite of 3/7. You times what? Times this side also. You cannot reduce. So 14 times 7 divided by 3. We try one more time. We got to try one more time. Okay, let us see. Okay, so it shows that we cannot do things mentally. I cannot do things mentally, although I want to. Let us see now. Okay, we try now. Careful, Mr. 12. This is 12. Careful, Mr. Ilhan. Here, you can do this. Raihana, you can do this, Raihana. Teacher, is Shafika, not Shafia. Did I call you Shafia? I call you Shafia. I thought Shafika. But I call Zahira. Okay, I got mixed up. I got mixed up. So sorry. Okay, here, let us see whether you're right. Huh? Okay. Let's see. Just hold on. Okay, congratulations, Ian. What about the rest? Well done, Ilhan. Well done. Raihana, check again, Raihana. Come on, check again. What about Zahira? Come on, Zahira. You tell me what number 2 times Zahira. Come on. What number? What's the opposite of this? What was the opposite of this? Well done, Zahira. Zahira said, don't call my name, okay? Okay, well done, Raihana. The opposite is 3/2, right? So you times by 3/2. Sophia, you don't know, Just do like that, Sophia. You know what I have to do. See, cancel. Then this one can cancel to 6. 6 times 3, 18. Okay, I think you are getting it. You're getting it. Again, we have to clear again. Until you're very, very clear. Okay, until you're very, very, very clear. And go. Then I'm going to move one more step up, okay? Right after this, I'm going to move one more step up, right? Here, and so fast. Oh, no. Very big number. Ilhan, same answer. Zahira, same answer. Okay, Zahira, Sophia also same answer. That means most probably you're all correct. What about Raihana? One person did not. Shafia, okay. Shafika. Don't call you Shafika. Raihana, we have not gotten your answer. Okay, we do together, okay? So same thing. Now you times by 13/2. Well done, Raihana. So times by 13/2. Well done. All of you got 169, right? I'm not calculated, but I'm sure you're correct. So you get 13 over here. 13 times 13, 169. Congratulations. Okay, now I am going to go one step further. Watch what I do, okay? This is now what they may do. They may give you something like that. Plus, example. Let's say now I change this to, hold on. I change this to 36 No, sorry. 38. And then I put down here, oi, sorry. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Can, right? Now, and they put like that. First thing you must do is to bring over the 2. Why bring over 2? Why cannot divide? You must have only the x on one side. This is considered x because it's touching the axis. 213x. Bring this over the other side first. Then you can do what you did earlier. You must bring the 2 over first. Can you try, please? Alamak, the number wrong Can I change the number? Son? I change, I make it easy number. Sorry, I change, I make it easy number Sorry. Okay, here and the rest, please take note. I'm changing the number, okay? Because this one is too big. 4. Okay, you try. Okay, you can do this. Remember, you have to bring one of them on the other side. Okay, let us see whether you're right in a moment. In a moment. Okay, now everyone got different answer. Let us see. Sophia said 39, Hayan said 39, Rahana says 28. What about the rest? What about the rest? Come on. Ilhan, what about you, Ilhan? Bring the 2 over first. Bring the 2 over first. When you bring, it becomes a minus number. Remember that, right? It doesn't become a plus. This is positive 2. You bring it over, it becomes negative 2. Hayan just changed his answer. I think Hayan's new answer is correct. I won't say what it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Zahira, come on, Zahira. Don't look sleepy lah. Zahira, wake up lah, Zahira. Aku penat lah dengan tutor ni. Tak habis-habis panggil nama aku. Cepat lah, cepat lah, cepat, 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 cepat. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let us see. Shafika, I think your answer is correct. Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you. Ilhan, what about you, Ilhan? Zahira, okay, we're going to check whether your answer is correct. First of all, bring the 2 over the other side. Now, how to bring, when you bring the over 2 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Why? Okay, how to get rid of this 2? You got to minus 2, right? 2 minus 2 gets 0. Therefore, if you minus the left side, you must also minus the right side. So shortcut, they say plus you bring over becomes minus. Right, Hannah? Well done. So again, you bring over the 2, now you're left with 213x equals to what? Equals to, well done, Zahira, 4 minus 2. So now what it become? Now it becomes like what we have done just now lah. Remember just now? Well done, Ilhan. Just now we did like that, right? Now you know what to do. What's the next step? Opposite times the opposite number. 13 over 2. Can you see now? Now you can do the same thing times 13 over 2. Cancel, cancel. You get 13. This one becomes 1 lah, 1x. This one becomes 30. Are you okay? Okay, we do one more time of this one. Again, first step, you bring over the 2 over that side, it becomes minus 2. 4 minus 2 gets 2. And then you are left with 213x. You know how to do this because we have been practicing earlier how to get rid of this. Times the opposite fraction. All right, here we go now. All right, next one. Can you try this, please? Bring the number over first. Bring the number over first. Let us see here. I got a. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, please take it. Please take it. Let us see now. Let us see. Okay, Hayan, answer Ilhan, Husna, Shafia, Zahira, Sophia, all got the same answer, all say 9. Who has not? Rahana says 4. Let us see, Rahana. Okay, now first thing we do is you bring the 1 over there, Rahana. Plus 1 you bring over becomes minus 1. Plus 1 you bring over becomes minus. So 7 minus 1 gives 6. Now what do? We got to times this side lah. Times by the opposite number fraction. Opposite fraction, 3 over 2. So down here, so 3 over 2 lah. 6 times 3 over 2. And you say, what about the 6? 6 over 1 lah. 6 over 1. So you divide, and then you get 1 here. You get 3 here. 3 times 3 gets 9. Okay, well done. Down here, of course, it becomes x lah. So how it become x is 3, 3, 2, 2. Then some say, I thought I cancel 0. 0 times x must be 0. No. When you cancel, you get 1. 2 divided by 2, get 1. 2 divided by 2, get 1. 3 divided by 3, get 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 times x is x, not 0. It doesn't become 0. It becomes 1. So congratulations to all of you. And I think we can return after this last one. Okay, everyone got to get it correct. Otherwise, it's not fun. Okay, and some says no. Yeah, but anyway, let's try. Okay, hold on. Okay, please try. Okay, Sophia, you're the first one. I think your answer may be correct. I think it is correct. So we'll check in a moment. Husna Sophia, same answer as Sophia. Well done. Hey, Sophia, Husna Sophia, Zahira. What about the rest? What about the rest? Let's see. Someone has sent me an answer. Kayan also same answer. Well done. Let us see whether Ilhan and Raihana can get the same answer or not. Okay, just give one half a minute. Half a minute.
So is it decimal?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What you say?
Is it a decimal?
Yeah, it's a decimal. Ilhan, number is bigger than that. So let us try. I'm gonna go through in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Notice some of you find it so easy now. Yes, algebra is actually very easy. And you can help some of your friends. Yes, well done, Rahana. So, okay, let us go through. Ilhan, the first thing is we bring this over. -5, you bring over, become +5, Ilhan. 2 plus 5 is 7. So down here now becomes 7. And down here is 2 over 7x. Now, how you get rid of 2 over 7? You times by 7 over 2. You times by 7 over 2. Cancel, 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 cancel. You're left with x. Also times by 7 over 2 over here. When you times by 7 over 2, 7 times 7, 49. 49 divided by 2, you will get 24 and a half. All right, you will get 24.5. Okay. All right, I think more or less we can return to our earlier thing, okay? Because, okay, so can we try, we have done this, right? Okay, can we move to this one now? A, B, C, D, yeah? Remember, leave the A on the left side, bring the numbers on the other side, and then you find. Same thing. You can either bring the Q this side, or you want to bring the Q this side, bring numbers one side, letters another side, then you can find. Okay? Down here, which one? You bring the 4 over that side. Then you do your opposite, what I've taught you earlier. You can do this, you can do this, okay? Many Sex 2 students are unable to do this, okay? I can tell you that because last time I was in Sec 2, I couldn't do this. So you can do this. You are doing this, and you are able to master this. Wow, let's see, this is, hold on, number 2A. Shafika, sign problem. Ilhan, you got to check. Anyone else? Here. Here also same thing, sign issue. Or maybe the book might be wrong. Okay, maybe your answer is correct. Maybe you and Shafika are correct. But is there a sign issue? Okay, let's see. We're going to go through in a moment. We're going to go through in a moment. Let us see. Bring the -6 over. Sophia. Yeah, Sophia then. Okay, solve it lah, Sophia. But are you sure it's 8A not? You make careless mistake lah. Look, this one is 5A minus 3A. Ilhan, 5A minus 3A. You get 2A lah. Not 8A. This you utang $3. You have $5. You utang $3, you have $5. I ask you how much money you have. I got $8. Cannot be. You pay your utang first. Then you left with $2 only. This one you bring over becomes 16. Sorry. You bring over become plus 6, right? Minus 10 plus 6. Now this one is what? Minus 4 lah. You utang $10, you pay only $6, you still utang $4. So Hayan and Shafika, your answer is supposed to be negative. A equals to -4 divided by 2. -4 divided by 2 here. Answer is what? -2 lah. Okay. Down here divide by 2. I hope you're okay. Okay not? Shafika, you know your mistake? Hayan, okay? Irhan, you all right now, Irhan? The rest, are you all right? Okay, we're going to check the next one. I'm going to check next one, okay? Sophia, confident, Sophia, confident. Okay, let us see. I'm going to check B first. B, yeah? According to the book, Shafika, your answer is wrong. According to the book, Hayan, your answer is right for B. So let us see. Sophia, you okay, Sophia? Let us see. Rahana, according to the book, your answer is wrong. Okay, I rather just tell you straight. Okay, don't feel embarrassed, right? It's okay, So B now, B. So far, only one person have got it right. The person is Heiyan. So that's what the book says, lah. That's what the book says. We're going to go to question B very soon. Ilhan, try Ilhan. B. Sophia, your answer is what? 2Q means what? You must find out what is 1Q. What is Q? Ilhan, answer is not correct. Not correct. Shafika, your answer to Ilhan is the same. It's not correct. Okay, here we go. Sophia, your answer is almost there. Almost there. Okay, we're going to go through one by one. So now down here, some students are going to do this. Okay, well done, Hian, for C. You want to bring this over, can, no problem. But I actually prefer to bring the other way. Why? Because I don't like negative numbers. I want to bring negative 4 over here. Then it becomes positive 4Q. Negative 4Q. Do you remember the sign is in front of the number? I bring over, become plus 4Q. Then I plus 2Q here. Then become 6Q. I like this type of number. I don't like negative number. Down here now, I bring over that side. Minus 9 plus 3 become minus 3. So what does it mean? 6Q equals to utang $9, utang $3 means utang $12 lah. Don't be confused. Some say, but I thought minus equals to plus. Minus times minus equals plus. There's no times. Is there a times here? No. You utang your mother $9, you utang your dad $3, altogether you utang your parents $12. Okay. So now how to find negative 12. Q equals to 12 divided by negative 12 divided by 6. You get negative 2. Sophia, okay not? Sophia, okay? All right, so it's negative 2. So, hey, come on. Guys, you can do this, guys. Come on now. You can do this, please. Okay, we move on to the next one. For C then, for C. Rahana, which one is this, Rahana? If this is for B, that means not correct. If this is for C, also not correct. If it's for D, also, I'm not too sure. Let's see now. Here, as I said, C is correct. Can you try D? Okay. Come on, you can do this. I need you to master this skill. That means if you cannot master, that means we need to clear this, because algebra is you're gonna meet algebra everywhere. You're gonna meet this gangster now. So make sure that you can overtake the gangster. Ilhan, well done, Ilhan, for C. Congratulations, well done. All right, what about the rest? Come on, it can't be only the boys can do. Wow, the girls marah there. Hian, what's the answer for D, Hian? Rahana, come on, Rahana. Unsure. Bring all those with the D to one side. Bring the other fractions to other side. Bring those with the D to one side. Bring the letters to one side here. Then the numbers to the other side. Whichever side, up to you. And for me, your teacher might say, hey, why you bring this to the right side? Easier for me. Later on, I'll bring it back. Okay. We are going to go through in 1 minute's time. I need to give you time to try. You need to try. You need to crack your head. Please. No use if you are not concentrating. I hope you're concentrating. Congratulations, Miss Sophia. Well done for C. Okay, you are adults today, as I said. I'm not going to... But you're getting better. You're getting better. Your concentration is better. Alhamdulillah. For that, I think I must give each and every one of you some milkshake. Buy milkshake lah gitu. Sebab mahal lah milkshake. Send delivery. Shafika, come on, you can do C. Okay. Well done, Shafika. I told you can do it, straight away come out. You can do. But I don't think that one has a sign. There's no sign there. There's no minus there. So how do you get a minus? You see, okay, we are going to go through. Here we go. Now, Raihana, down here you have the F. Down here you have number. Letter number. Bring the number to the other side. Shafika, -4 you bring over become +4. There's no more negative numbers already. No more negative numbers anymore. So what do? We want to get rid of 8 over 5. Times what? Times 5 over 8. We already practiced this already. Do the same thing to the right side. Remember, you want your parents to be fair to all siblings. All right? If you give one sibling 5 over 8, this one must times 5 over 8 also. So you can cancel this one, you got F. What about this one? This one you get 1 and 2. 5 over 2. Sophia, you divide lah. 5 divided by 2, 2.5 lah. Don't just leave 5 over 2. But your answer is correct. Okay nak? Rahina okay nak? Okay Zahira, you okay? I am okay. Okay, come on. Well done, Ilhan. We try the next one. If you cannot see, remember there's a D down here, no? You can do this. Come on, you can do this. Let us see now. Ilhan has given the answer for the next one. Is he correct? He is close. I think something somewhere went wrong, Ilhan. According to the book, it's the different answer. Let us see whether Hayan got the answer. Hayan has not. He just did like that. Egyptian dance. Oh, Hayan. That's your answer for D, Hayan. So sorry, that's not the answer for D. According to the book, it's not. But maybe the book might be wrong. Don't know how to do, Shafika. Don't give up lah. Okay, I can see everyone like that. Okay, that's the Egyptian dance. I do not know. You know the King Tut dance, not? This is anyway. I'm not here to teach you that. I do not want to be a bad influence. But you are already a bad influence. Alamak. So if I don't say that, why you say that? Okay, here we go. Let us see. Okay, you don't look at the bottom question because some students they have this. It's a good habit. It's a bad habit actually. It's like a sickness. Once they see other question, they will just do without listening to the explanation. So I'm going to show you step by step. First of all, you must remember these two. You know how to read this number. This is D over 2. What does it mean? It's 1D, you know. This is actually half D. Do you know that? This D over 2 is actually half D. Do you know that? So this one is actually, this D is on the above, you know. So what is this? This is minus 5D over 6. Maybe you prefer to write it like that. This one, D over 2, no problem. No problem. And then you get minus. So now what to do? Rule number 1. What is the rule? Bring the numbers to one side, the letters to another side. You say, but there's no numbers, there's only fraction. Fraction is numbers lah. This is numbers. This is number. Okay, minus 2/3. Bring it to the other side. It become what? Positive 2/3. Okay. And then this one now. This one. Bring it to the other side lah. The other side. Okay. Then becomes what? Negative you bring over become positive. Oh yeah. Negative become positive. But it look very complex. Don't be deceived. Don't be cheated. See what cheated? It's the same thing. So what to do next? I don't know what to do. Yes. Sophia, well done. Then make them have the same denominator. How? Times this by 3. And this one times by 3. And then what happens? Then the denominator becomes 6 low. 3D over 6 plus 5D over 6 equals to RID over 6. Sorry, not RID. Sorry, Aina. Don't make fun of my brother. Okay, so now you can put it under one denominator. 3D plus 5D, 8D equals to 2/3. So what to do? You know what to do. What do you do? Times lah by the opposite fraction. What opposite fraction? You want it to be 1, right? So 6 over 8, you times the left side. Whatever you times the left side, you must times the right side. Times 6 over 8 also. So what do you get? This one become 1 lah. Cancel. Become D. And this one, 6 divided by 3 get 2. Divide by 2 get 2. 2 divided by 2 get 1. 8 divided by 2 get 4. Then 2 over 4. 2 over 4 is half lah. You can divide someone get half. So D is equals to half. Notice we are going to a higher level, right? What is the higher level? The higher level is now you are doing it in fraction. Okay, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you can do this. You can do this. Congratulations to Datin. Sophia has gotten it. You know what's a Datin, Sophia? Don't know. Datin is like Dato, like Sir. In Malaysia, they have Sir. No? Sir, but it's the wife of a Sir. But if they, like Siti Nurhaliza, they call her Dato. So that means she's the one getting the award. Okay, you try this. Okay, just for those of you not so sure, bring the Y over one side. Bring the numbers over that side. Remember what I told you down here? This means what? 1Y over 2. You can put the Y on top. You can put the Y on top. Up to you. You want to put or don't want to put, up to you, or you want to leave it like that? Up to you. Okay? And go, please. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. E. Again, if you're not so sure about anything, please ask, okay? This is tuition. You are supposed to learn as much as possible from here. Let us see. You can do this, you can do this, you can do this. It's supposed to be a mixed number, so. Okay, a mixed number. Someone sent answer. No. Congratulations to Mr. Almost there. Ilhan, let me see. I cannot see. Almost there, Ilhan. You missed by a small thing. Your whole number is correct. Your point something is not correct. Maybe you divided wrongly. Last part. Almost there. I thought you got it right. No? Almost. According to the book, maybe your answer might be right. Maybe your answer might be right. Let's see. Does anyone, Ilhan, almost there? You're the fastest so far. I can imagine you on the basketball court. You can't see the ball coming, going, because you are dribbling it fast. Okay, Hian has given answer. Hian are different from the book. The answer is different from the book. Come on, Hian. Try. Be careful. Again, we are assuming the book answer is correct. We are going to go through shortly. You check whether the book answer is correct. Okay, let me see now. I'll do it mentally then. So we have 4 over 65. Over there. Okay, but if 4 over 65 is not correct. 2.6. No. Now the answer becomes, your whole number was correct. Let us see. Congratulations, here the second attempt is correct. Your second, according to the book. Okay, Shafia, the answer is too big. Okay, we are going to go through now. We're going to go through. Okay, watch step by step. Okay, watch step by step. For me, as I said, mistype. Okay, no problem. I will bring the negative over to that side to make it positive. Some teachers may not like it. They say always put a number on the left side at the last part lah. In the middle, you can just bring it here, no problem. So why? Because I like positive numbers. Easier to add lah. So now minus 310, negative 310 becomes positive 310y. Negative change becomes positive plus half y. Now then what happened? What happened to the 4? Well, the 4, I'm going to bring this 4 to this side. I'm going to bring to the other side. Plus 4. See, how do we know plus 4? There's no sign on here. No sign means it's plus. 9 minus 4. Why minus 4 become minus 4? Because plus you bring over become minus. So can you see 9 minus 4 is 5. And this one how? This one change it to 10 lah. Times by 5. Times by 5. So what do you get? 3 over 10y plus 5 over 10y. So what do we get? We get 8 over 10y lah. Oh yeah. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 over 10y. Okay. And then what? Now I'm going to write it this side lah. Okay, I write it this side now. Okay. Now I change side lah. Don't need to reduce yet lah. You don't need to reduce yet. Okay. You can do the reduction at the last part. Now, what do? We times this side. Alamak, sorry. I wrote it too close to the side lah. Okay, again, 8 over 10y equals to 5. So what do? I'm going to get rid of the 8 over 10. What do? Times 10 over 8. Do the same thing to the right side. Times 10 over 8. So let us see now. You say you cancel, right? Okay, down here, divide by 2, you get 4. 10 divided by 2, get 5. 5 times 5, 25. So Shafika, you got the 25, well done. But below there's a 4, you know. You don't forget the 4 lah. So you divide 6 and 1/4. Or, why do I say Ilhan's answer was almost, Ilhan, the answer in decimal is 6.25. Yours is 6.5. 6.5 is 6.5. Okay. Shafika, okay not Shafika? You understand not Shafika? Can you all get it? Zahira, okay not Zahira? Headache Yeah, I'm getting headache listening to your voice. Alamak. Don't be like that, Zahira. Why you say you get headache listening to my voice? Okay, here we go. Now we try F. Can I erase this? If you're copying, then if you're copying, now this is the next question. Okay, the same thing. Come on, it's the same thing. Now it's just decimal. You can do this. You have to believe you can do this, okay? Bring the S to one side, bring the other numbers to the other side. Where are the numbers? These are the number you bring to the other side. This one the number, you bring them to one side. This is the S, you bring to one side. I will do it now. Clear this one now. Okay, let's see here. Well done here. Congratulations. Congratulations. That's what I'm now still doing actually. Yeah. Sorry? Okay, let's see whether so far Ian gotten an answer. Well done, Ian. Okay. What about the rest? Hey, don't tell me you'll give up, huh? Please don't give up. You can do this, you can do this. Anyone else send me the answer? Okay, I will go through. I'll go through, huh? Okay. Someone has sent the answer. Okay, let us see. Well done, Miss Shafika. Only thing you missed your sign. You missed the sign. You missed the sign. It's supposed to be negative. Okay, so now let us do step by step, okay? Remember, this is the letter. This is letter. I'm going to bring it to the left, this side. Why? When I bring down here, becomes 2s minus 4 or 5. You see, I do not know how to do this one. Okay, just use your calculator lah. Put 2 minus 4 over 5. What do you get? You will get 1 and 1 quarter. 1 and 1/5. Sorry, not 1 quarter. 1 and 1/5. Okay. Zahira, almost there. Almost there, Zahira. You missed by one whole number. Almost there. So now, then what? Then this one now, this thing, you bring this 1 and 1/4 over that side. Okay. So let us see. It's positive 1 1/4, right? So now when you bring, I change it to decimal. This is 1.25. So now I bring over becomes minus 1.25. See where I get 1.25? 114 is equals to 1.25. You don't believe, you use your calculator. I'm not going to show you the fractions from primary level, but down here is plus. You bring over, becomes minus. So down here you owe mother $2.50, owe father $1.25. So you owe total 3.75. Okay. So down here now, this one becomes, okay, we can use either fraction or decimal. So down here becomes 1 and 1/5 is 1.2s. Okay. So just find s minus 3.75. Sorry, minus 3.75 divided by 1.2. You will get 3 and 1/8 or minus 3.125. This is what you will get. You got to be very careful, okay? Must you master this? Yes, you have to master this. In Sec 1, yes, in Sec 1, this is Sec 1. This is from Unit 5 of the Discovery text workbook, Book A, Chapter 5. But see, we are in, most of us in normal academic, we are doing express. It's the same thing. Even normal academic needs to know this. This is overlap of topics already. Okay? If you don't believe, you go have a look at the workbook by Express and Normal Academic. You'll find so many questions are the same, Only thing there's additional question for Express. Okay, I'm going to move on, okay? Are you all okay or not? Hey, what you're drinking, Shafika? What is that? Looks very nice, man. You seem to have all the most interesting drinks, milkshake, whatever. Okay, now we are gonna go. So this one just now was basic, Basic is considered basic. We have just spent the last 1 hour on this only, this much. Of course, we went out, I explained for them, but you must master this. This is considered the equation part. But now we got to go to word problems, problem sums. So can you try and tell me what is this? That means you must form into an equation. What is the meaning of equation? Must have the equal sign. Equation means must have equal sign. Then something down here equals to something down here. That's what it means. See, alamak, what are they saying? Just read carefully. Read carefully. You don't understand what this is? I give you another way of writing it. G is the result. Is it better for you? You can do this. You have to start with believe you can do. If you believe you cannot do, then the thing. Terbalik. When here terbalik. When you say from 8, 8 must be in front. Is it take $5 from your mother? Your mother's money must minus of $5. So from means the 8 got to be in front. You got to remember that. Let us see. Oh, someone is sent me. Okay, hold on. Okay, Ilhan, where's the equal sign? There needs to be equal sign. When they ask you to write equation, you must have equal sign. So they want you to write something equals to something. Okay. All right, so we go one by one. Yes, okay, here and that one is correct. Then you try the next one. So now, let us go step by step. They tell you G is the result. Means the result is G. Result become like that. The answer, G is the answer. When let's say 5 is subtracted from 8. How is 5 subtracted? Example. Let's say 5 is subtracted from this 8 minus 5 lah. Oh, like that. Yeah, like that. Okay. So now, but you don't minus 5. You must minus a quarter of G. What is a quarter of G? 1/4 G lah, like that. This is your equation. See, Ilhan, can you see now, Ilhan? You must write equation like this. That means there's an equal sign, there's a left side equals to right side. Then after that, you can solve. But don't solve this. Don't solve this. The practice now is for you to be able to write equation. Can you try B now? B. Okay, down here there. They even tell you is equal. You know this part is the equal sign. Can you see now down here? You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Let us see now. Congratulations, Hayan. Okay, I'm just gonna clear. Hold on. Here you can do the next one. Who is this? Ilhan. Hold on. Only the 7. The 7 is supposed to be a -7, Ilhan. Other than that, you'll be okay. Come on, guys, girls. Come on, guys, girls. Come on. We only got 22 minutes. You can do this. Let us see. Okay, here, hold on. The rest, what about the rest? Yes, Ilhan. Well done. So down here, equal sign. Then the sum of 10 and Z. 10 plus Z is equal to Subtract something by something. So this one, subtract minus 3z, subtract it by 7, like that lah. That's all there is. Minus 3z subtracted by 7, there. Okay, we try now the next one. Come on. C. Come on, try C. You can do this. You have to believe. You have to believe. Especially those from the madrasah. They say rukun iman pertama. What is it? Percaya pada Allah. And how can it be if we believe in Allah, we don't believe in ourselves? We have to believe in ourselves. Let us see now. C now. C, yeah. Okay, well done, Hian. C is correct. Okay, I'm going to show you D here, and then you do D, yeah? Okay, you try D. Come on, the rest. What about the girls? I think you're tired already. Don't give up so fast, lah, girls. Come on, girls. Shafika, you drinking very nice drink, lah. Shafika, what is that? You make your own drink, eh? Is it? Then what is that? You buy? Yeah, you. Oh, very nice drinks. Sophia, okay not, Sophia? Dah tired already, Sophia. Sophia says, I'm so tired, okay? My hair from straight become curly under the scarf. Okay. All right. Well done, Hian. Okay, Hian, can you now solve the equations starting from A lah? Whatever your answers are for A and all, can you try to solve it? You find what's G, find what's Z, find what's X, and find what's Y. Okay, you try, okay? Girls, come on, girls. Rahana, come on, Rahana. I give up already lah. Don't now, Rahana, come on now, Rahana. Zaira, come on. No one. Come on. Can't be you all do not know. So tired. You know, right? Shafika, you know how to do, Shafika? Okay. This 0.8 subtracted from 3/4 while will produce the same result. This is telling you the word equal will give you the same result. That means they say is equals to. This is equals to that side. Come on. Form the equation. Come on. You can do this lah. You know, when you're tired itself and you're doing and you can solve, you do not know what is. Of course, you're thinking, I'm so tired, I just want to rest. Yes, but when you're tired and you can still do it, your mental muscles are going to be very, very strong. If you're tired, you give up. Everyone does that. Most people do that. Tired, they give up. But if you're tired and you still go on, that means you're superb lah. You're superb. But I don't want to be superb. Well, up to you if you want to be superb. I'm already superb the way I am. Okay. Come on, Ilhan. Come on. Okay, I use another color here lah. Sorry?
Let's find the equation, is it?
Yeah, you must write the equation. First one, write the equation. What's the equation? So down here now. From, when they say from something, this number should be in front here. Remember that, huh? So, minus 0.8. If they use the word by means they must minus something. This is at the back. 2y, This is your equation lah, that easy lah. Okay, can you solve equation D, please? Solve equation D. Can you find what is y? This is the equation. Okay, let's see. Husna Shafika. Oh, she's going to rearrange the equation. But 3/4 you bring over that side becomes minus, you know. Oh, remember, Shafika, from down here means it's in front, you know. Once you bring this over, it becomes minus. So your equation is something is not right lah. Oh, that means you're confused by this, Shafika. For you, you think 0.8 minus 34y. This is not correct. As I said, from means it must be in front, like this. Shafika, from. Okay, not terbalik ya. Okay, can you solve this, boys and girls? Solve this, solve this, solve this, solve this. Question D, question D, question D. Solve it, solve it, solve it. What is y? Dah tired dia. Hen, can you Hen? Have you sent me? You try to solve ABCD lah. All the 4 equations that you did just now. What's the answer? Okay, you can start with D if you want to. What to do for D? Okay, I'll write this question on the whiteboard. Where's the whiteboard? Shafika says, so sorry, Shafika. The book says you are not correct. Hold on. I'm gonna write down now the equation. That's now is 3/4 y. Can you solve this? Okay, minus. Sorry. How do I? 3/4. Oh. 3/4 y minus 0.8 is equals to 2y minus 6. Bring the y to one side. Come on, we have 15 minutes left. 15 minutes left. Just push yourself a little bit more, a little bit more. No one can force you to concentrate, only you yourself. Shafika, try again, Shafika. Okay, in 1 minute's time, I will explain. 30 seconds. Okay, first of all, what do? I will bring letters one side, numbers another side. So this one I'm going to bring there. So this one becomes 2y minus 3/4 y. Then this one, minus 6, I bring over that side, become plus 6. So 6 minus 0.8. 6 minus 0.8, what do we get? We get 5.2. And then this one, you minus like, okay, you do not know, I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? So I show you the primary school method. I change this to 1 whole 4/4. What is this? 1 whole. This one is also 1 whole, 2 whole lah. Okay, Shafika, congratulations. I think your answer is correct. Minus 3/4y. So what do you get? You get 1 whole 1/4y equals to 5.2. Just take now 5.2 divided by 1/4. Okay, 114. Okay, this one we can change since it's decimal. Change it to decimal. 1.25. 1 and 1/4 is 1.25. Equals to 5.2. Y equals to 5.2 divided by 1.25. And you will get the answer. Shafika says it's 4.16. Let us see whether she's correct. So far, she's the only one, no? All the rest are silent already. And that's an indication to me, everyone dah pengsan lah. Congratulations, Miss Shafika. Well done. Okay, even Hayan pun surrender, Hayan. Apalah. Well done. Okay, we are now going to go to the earlier questions that we did. We will solve them all, okay? And then the next lesson, I think we should continue with this because I want you all to have your mastery of algebra, okay? So this one is okay. Let us now go back to this. Okay, there's I thought to clear my drawings. Okay, here we go. Now, earlier on, we start with the first one, okay? The first one was 8 minus 1/4g equals to g. Remember something like that. Can you try to find the solutions? 2 minutes, please. I'm going to time you. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You should be able to do it in 2 minutes. 2 minutes is quite. It's a mixed number. Okay, this is 1/4 g. 1/4 g. Okay, someone has sent the answer. Sophia. So sorry, Miss Sophia. Let's try again. You got to bring the 1/4 g over to the right side first. And then that's minus, right? You bring over, becomes plus. Ilhan. So sorry, Mr. Ilhan. Please try again. The number is bigger than your number. The number is bigger than Sophia's number.
Is it 1/4g? Is it?
No, this is okay. I write again. This one is 8 minus. Sorry. 1/4. That's 1/4. 8 minus 1/4 quarter. There's a g lah down here. Yeah, 1/4g. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Congratulations, Mr. Hayan. Can you do the next one, Hayan? The question B. Remember you did question B? The 10 plus Z.
Equals to g online.
G. Send G lah. Here, I write the next question for you. You do the next question again. Am I tired? Tired here. Just all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. You solve this one here. 30 seconds more before I show you how to do this. Okay, time's up. Can I show you? I hope I can. Here we go. Now, what do we do? First step is we bring the quarter G. 104 is quarter G. We bring this one over the other side. Remember, there's a minus sign. Always look out for the sign in front. You bring it over to here. So what does it become? It becomes G plus 1/4. See how to plus that? Remember, this G is how many G? Is 1G lah. So 1 plus 1/4 is 1/4. 1/4 G equals to 8. Okay. Then just divide lah. Right? This 1/4 is 1/4 G, right? You can put it inside a calculator. 1/4 G equals to 8, right? So what is G? G equals to 8 divided by, or you can put over lah, 1/4. 1/4 is 1.25. Okay. Again, this is written as a decimal. This one is as a fraction. So let us see now. What do we get? 8 divided by 1.25, 6.4. Or you can say 6 and 2/5. Same thing. Okay, can we try the next one now? The next one, this one, the green one, the green one, the green one. Come on. Come on, girls and boys. We have another 4 minutes more, 4 minutes more. We got 2 more questions. This one plus 1 more, and then that's the end. Remember, there's a minus down here. There's a minus sign here. There's a minus sign here. Notice, minus, minus. Okay, bring the Z over to one side. Numbers over to the other side. Congratulations, Shafika. You have got it right for your earlier one, 6.4. I did not see that. Well done. I hope all of you will pass maths. Not only that, will ace maths. And then you show that no, the Muslims are good in maths. And when possible, find the meaning of maths. Maths prove the existence of God. Here, let's see for Z. Everything is correct according to the book here except for your sign. Is it positive or negative? Be careful here. There's a world of difference between positive and negative. Congratulations, Miss Shafika. You have gotten it. Here also you have gotten it. The rest we are going to give you another minute. And here in Shafika, I'm going to give you the final question to do. Okay. So, okay, this is like a marathon for the mind, okay? If you find your mind is so tired after the maths, every time I come to tuition, I get so tired. That's good sign. If you find you're not tired at all, something is wrong lah. Okay, it's a good sign if your mind is tired. Say, why good sign? It means you are thinking. And Allah says in the Quran, most people hate to think. See, are you sure there's a verse of that? Yes, there's a verse. There are many verses. Allah invites us to think, in the Quran. And not to think just like that. It's a think logically. Be wise. Okay, don't believe, you can ask Ustazah Shafika, Ustazah Sophia. They will tell you, I hope they read Quran also lah. See, of course they read. Yes, but You must read the meaning also. Okay, and then you find there's one ulama, it says that. Okay, you try this, Miss Shafika and Hayyan. One of this, I consider him an ulama. He died, he passed away. Miss Ilhan, congratulations, you got it correct, except for the sign. Is it supposed to be positive or negative? You got to check that. Except for the sign, your answer is correct. Ilhan, well done, Ilhan. Okay, well done. Yes, now it's correct. Okay, we'll go through this now. I'm going to go through the one over here first. Okay. So now down here, what do? We bring the negative 3z, you bring it down here, becomes plus 3z. So you get 3z plus z. And then how? The 10 bring that side, minus 7. 10, you bring over, become minus 10. You owe, okay, 3 plus z, 4z. 4z, yeah, hold on, 4z. Minus 7 minus 10, minus 17. How to find z? Minus 17 divided by 4. And what do you get? Well, the question says is minus 4 and 1/4. Or, as Shafika says, minus 4.25. I think Shafika gave this answer. All right, the very last question now. This one over here. Okay, remember, these are all questions you have formed just now. We have formed, and so we want to find what's the answer. Terbalik lah, Yan. No. I think terbalik lah, Yan. The answer they say is terbalik. Your answer is upside. According to the answer key again. So far, the answer key has been correct. When I go through, the answer key is correct. So, what do you think? Do you do it wrongly? The last part, you're supposed to score a goal. You're in front of the goal post. Abi, score on goal. Don't score on goal, please. It's like, all right, it's 9:30, so I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, I think some of you are real tired. I bring this one over the left side. 6x. I'm going to change it into what? I'm going to change it into decimal. This is what the decimal is. Minus 125x. Say, how come become minus? Of course, it's plus down here. What? We bring over, become minus. Then this one, minus, I bring over, becomes plus, positive 2.5. So this one, you minus, you get 4.75x. Something is wrong. Hold on. 10 over 9. Correct. Minus 2.5. So I think the last part here, you go and take 4.75 divided by 2.5. Cannot. 2.5 divided by 4.75. And what do you get? You get 10 over 19, or what's the decimal? I'm going to check the decimal. I know you all are very tired. From the silence I hear, it is deafening. Okay, here we go. 0.53. Okay, boys and girls, thank you very much. I'm not all the hate saying it. Okay, we'll see you next week. Okay, you take care of yourself. All the best. Bye-bye. Enjoy your school.